Can you hear it? The hiss of corrosive salt and the shock waves echoing up from deep underground. Welcome to the mechanical test bench of the engine history. Today's load test throws aside the familiar farm machines and dives straight into a far harsher domain, the raging ocean and pitch-black mines. Looming in front of you are massive engines that once sliced through deep seas and hauled tens of tons of ore from the Earth's core. They've been left to rot, cast iron eaten away by salt, crankshafts seized solid in sludge and residue. But the toughness of cast iron has never died. Grab your wrench. We're going to force the power core of the ocean to fire and spit smoke again. Completely different from farm engines, marine diesel blocks are built with monumental specs that push machining limits to the extreme. Look at this towering block of cast iron. Each piston is massive, the size of a human embrace, machined from alloy steel with enough fatigue resistance to withstand the brutal pressure of the ocean. The crankshaft is as thick as a tree trunk, responsible for delivering immense torque to spin the propeller and tear through waves. If you're hooked on these massive engines and brutal teardown jobs, hit subscribe to the engine history. Tearing down this machine isn't done by hand. It requires cranes, scaffolding, and raw endurance to face off against dozens of tons of iron. The toughest challenge here isn't just time wear, it's seawater, salt, and underground humidity, the most aggressive catalysts for metal destruction. Rust doesn't just sit on the surface. Salt penetrates deep into the crystal structure of the iron, locking piston rings to cylinder walls like solid concrete. The crew at the engine history is fighting a brutal chemical and physical battle. Rust-dissolving chemicals are forced into every gap. High-pressure torches heat the engine block red hot, then rapid cooling is applied to create thermal shock, cracking the rust apart. Every strike of the hydraulic hammer on the crankshaft is a high-stakes move. Too hard, and the block cracks forever. Too soft, and the machine remains frozen for eternity. It demands absolute precision and strength from the mechanics. Once the seized parts are freed, the next critical test is flushing the lubrication system of this deep-sea engine. Marine diesels use a vast lubrication network with dense copper piping. Old oil mixed with seawater turns into thick black sludge that chokes every check valve. Mechanics must dismantle meters of piping and blast them clean with high-pressure chemicals. The mechanical fuel pump is also tested. Injectors as large as a wrist are recalibrated by hand, adjusting spring pressure precisely. The diesel spray must hit maximum pressure, powerful enough to penetrate the tightly compressed air in the combustion chamber. Only when clean oil flows smoothly through the massive bearings and crankshaft can the team confirm the engine is ready to produce power again. Setting aside the marine engine, the team faces another beast, a massive hoist engine used in deep mining operations. This power core uses exposed flywheels so heavy that they continue spinning for minutes even after fuel is cut. Its exhaust rhythm is not rapid, but slow, heavy, and sharp, each pulse carrying immense torque. On the engine history test bench, forcing this mining machine to run under load is an intense challenge. Mechanics must precisely tune the massive centrifugal governor to keep RPM stable while lifting tens of tons from underground. Raw pulling force comes from primitive combustion cycles with no electronics involved. Exposed gear trains packed with grease are ready to grind through any resistance. Now comes the most brutal moment, cold starting the deep-sea engine under load. To move these massive pistons, high-pressure compressed air is injected directly into the combustion chamber. The engine history test bench holds its breath. The mechanic slams open the pressure valve. A piercing hiss erupts like a raging storm at sea. The compressed air blasts into the cylinder walls. The massive crankshaft shudders. The flywheel slowly inches forward, struggling past dead center before suddenly gaining momentum. Combustion pressure peaks. The fuel system injects a massive charge of diesel into the fire bowl. Silence for a split second. Then, boom! A thick cloud of gray smoke blasts upward, the deep, heavy exhaust pounding the workshop floor like an underwater explosion. The massive engine is alive again. The fatigue resistance of cast steel has outlasted corrosion itself. Wrenches tightened. See you in the next full load test.